In this video, I'm going to talk about how I was able to generate a portfolio return of almost 50% in 4 months, crushing the S&P 500 returns over the same time period. So who did I design the strategy for? I designed the strategy for investors who do not mind a little bit of active portfolio management, those who manage their own portfolios, those who own retirement accounts or other tax advantage accounts, those who may be looking to add another strategy to a portfolio of strategies that they run, or those who are interested in algorithmic trading systems. If you fall into one of those categories, I urge you to continue watching the video for more information. Now, typically when people talk about results like this, it's hard to believe because there's so many scammers and manipulators, but this wasn't a result overnight. It wasn't cherry-picked. It was the result of hard work. I've been developing and working on this strategy based on research that I published on my website around 2016, and I'll show you that here. And I've been researching and working on it in between projects since then. Around 2019, I started to finalize the strategy itself, but I realized it had one significant, or really two significant drawbacks that had to be addressed. So I came up with a market filter, and that went into place in 2019 or so. Once you add something like that, I wanted to wait out of sample to see how it would perform moving forward. And so I waited and watched, and from 2019 all the way until 2023, the strategy performed within expectations. And so finally in November 2023, I decided to go live and trade the strategy with real money in a real brokerage account and see if the strategy would hold up truly out of sample. And these were the results that you see before you. So at this point, you're probably wondering, all right, okay, so you have a strategy, what did you do? And I'll say it like this. All I did was follow the rules set forth in the strategy. It's 100% mechanical, does not require any further thought or questioning because the results have been consistent for almost a decade now. And in back tests, it works even further back. I've tested it as far back as 2000. So there's a lot of data to support it. And so at this point, I just follow the rules, enter when it tells me to enter, and exit the market when it tells me to exit. And so that's all I did for these last 4 months. And the performance was, incredible. Now, with that said, I'm going to show you how it works if you decide to join in this process with me. So once you sign up, you would then receive a daily notification through Discord or Telegram, and you would be able to see the target weights for the portfolio if trading is allowed on that day. If the market filter is not triggered, you will get a set of portfolio weights. Then you can go to the website. It's an app that I made online, free, where all you have to do is input the amount of equity you have to allocate, the weights of the strategy, the target weights, and any current holdings that you have of these particular assets, and it will tell you how much you need to buy or sell in order to rebalance your portfolio to the target weights. And once that's done, all you have to do is enter your orders at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, all you have to do is input your orders at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's it. This process typically takes less than 5 minutes. I've been doing it again for the last 4 months. I am looking to add a fully automated solution in the near future. Currently, I'm waiting for Schwab to open up its API since its merger with TD Ameritrade. But if you guys already have brokerages that you're using that have a stable API, please let me know in the comment section below or contact me directly, and I'll see if we can get something set up. If the strategy interests you or you enjoyed this content and you would like to see more of it, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. I'll be leaving all of the relevant links in the description below the video. And feel free to reach out and contact me through various means, including the comment section below, my email, bcr@blackarbs.com, or through my website, blackarbs.com. Take care.